This is the review of the Dell Premier Collaboration Keyboard KB900. As you can see, it comes in a premium case for the unboxing. It comes with a USB-C charging cable, instructions. It comes with a Bluetooth receiver that's secure. It encrypts the data between the device and the keyboard, so you don't have to worry about somebody else sneaking in on what you're typing. It's a illuminated keyboard with a chargeable battery. It charges via USB-C. There's a power switch. It's got these little feet that extend out, which are nice. It's got some weight to it, so it's not gonna like slide off your desk. And it illuminates. The one thing, it's got programmable keys, and it's so you can see here I've launched the Dell Peripheral Manager, and I have assigned these keys up here, which normally that's the print screen key. I've assigned it copy, and then the scroll lock key paste function, and then the pause at my home, which basically launches the browser so that I can work and be more productive. There's already a bunch of keys on the top row here that are assigned. They can be reassigned, but I like the functionality that they're already set to. One suggestion I would have is these keys could be on a touchpad similar to the ones listed down below, where they illuminate based on the function you're doing. So instead of a print screen, this would just say copy or have the copy icon. That would make it so I can just know, with looking what to do. Basically, it comes out of the box. You got to do a firmware update. You got to charge it totally overnight. It takes a while. One of my suggestions would be that Dell includes a charger. They do provide a charging cable, but the laptop I was using is not powerful enough to charge it via USB-C. It required a dedicated charger, so that's my one suggestion. I think the Dell Premier or Peripheral Manager software is really excellent. I like the fact that I can look at all my Dell devices that are connected to this device through it and check change settings and battery health and stuff like that. My one suggestion would be for the software is when it's minimized, it would be nice if it showed the battery life of the active connected devices. I have to go into the program. It's easy to check it, but it's just more clicks that I have to go through. And then when I launch an application like Zoom and start a meeting, then of course you got to be on the latest version of Zoom. You can't just you just can't run Zoom if it hasn't been updated to the latest release. But you can see on the keyboard here that now I've got collaboration icons so that I can turn off my video camera's turned off. I can turn it on. I can turn off the mute, or I can mute myself. I can share my screen, and I can activate the chat functions, which I haven't really used those that much, to be honest. Zoom provides all that within the application. It's quicker than going into the mouse and clicking on the right spot. The other thing, that this keyboard's very quiet, so sometimes I've been in a Zoom meeting where somebody's typing away, taking notes, and you can hear every click that they're doing. It's kind of can be annoying, but this keyboard's very quiet, so that doesn't happen. That's a really good thing. Overall, I really like this keyboard. I think one thing I wouldn't mind having is, instead of there's like 4 tiny little icon LEDs at the top here, I would the first one is like when it's charging, instead of an LED, I'd rather kind of have like a visual indicator, like 88% charged or 2% charged, so that I know that, I've left it in plugged in for an hour, that I've got how much battery life I have remaining. The other three dots are how it's connected. So I think I think that's perfect the way it is. But that's my review. Overall, great keyboard. 20 days of expected battery life. So it should be able to be used as you travel down. Sports up to 3 devices. So you can move it from conference room to your desktop to your mobile station. Or just have, like me, I have lots of computers I use. So it's great that I can use this device with more than one setup. Thank you.